It's Marla. Hopefully, everyone is doing well. I hope everybody is safe. As promised, I am going to be doing some specialty boxes from Sip Spy. These are boxes that are a little different than their normal subscription box. If you go to the Sip Spy website, you'll see an area that says tea boxes on it. If you click on that, it will take you to a page and show you all the specialty tea boxes that Sip Spy offers. As I said before, Sip Spy is a tea subscription service. They deliver teas monthly to your door for $15 per month, but they do offer specialty tea boxes like chai tea boxes, mood boosting tea boxes, energizing tea boxes, and the tea box I am going to showcase today is the women owned tea brands box. If you love supporting women, this is a perfect box for you. Sip Spy itself is a female founded brand, so this box is really near and dear to their hearts. I'll tell you a little bit more about it once I open it up. This tea box can be purchased just as a one-time box for $15. The teas that are specific to this box are Metolius Tea, Nautilus Tea, Cherry Bomb, Soul Mate Yerba Company's Apple Organic Yerba Mate Blend, and Tea Drops Rose Earl Grey Tea. Those teas will be included in the women's brand box. The box comes with enough teas to make about 15 cups. It also comes with disposable tea filters and reusable muslin cloth tea bags. So you can steep the loose leaf tea that is included in the box. So let's go to the box. I'll do the unboxing and I will take one of the teas and test it out. Every time you get a tea box from Sip Spy, there'll be a card in there. It'll tell you what box you received. For example, if you're receiving the monthly subscription, you'll get, your April box, your May box, your June box. Or if you are ordering one of their specialty tea boxes, it'll say what the tea box is. So this is the women-owned tea brands box. Sip Spy is a female-founded brand. Every dollar from every single women's owned tea brands box that's sold will be donated to Vital Voices. Vital Voices is an international nonprofit organization that helps to empower and champion women leaders around the world. The box contains a mix of loose leaf teas with varying caffeine levels, all from women-owned brands. When you flip the card over, it shows you all the teas and all the information on each of the teas that are included in the box. So in my box, I have Tea Drops Rose Earl Grey Tea, Nautilus Tea, Cherry Bomb, Soul Mate Yerba Company's Apple Organic Yerba Mate Blend, and Metolius Tea North. So on the Tea Drops Rose Earl Grey, I have 1, 2, 3 of those. Of the Metolius Tea North, I have a packet of that. Nautilus Tea Cherry Bomb, I have a bag of that. And on the Soulmate Yerba Company's Apple Organic Yerba Mate Blend, I have a packet of that. I think I'm going to pick, this is a very hard choice, it's between the Tea Drops Rose Earl Grey or the Soulmate Yerba Company's Apple Organic Yerba Mate Blend, but I think I'm going to go with the Soulmate Yerba Company's Apple Organic Yerba Mate Blend. So let me boil some water and then I will make this tea. As usual, the teas from Sip Spy are great. The boxes are always unique and different. I love these specialty boxes. They are so interesting. They cover so many different areas like your immune system or trying to get you to get a better night's sleep, supporting women's brands like this one. So happy to introduce you to all these specialty boxes. We will be doing another one tomorrow, so tune in for that. I will leave all the information information for this particular box, this specialty box, down in my description box. I'll also leave a promo code down there in case you're interested in receiving their monthly tea box in the mail. That's $15 per month with no US shipping. These specialty boxes and the subscription box from Sips By are really great for people like me who like a lot of variety when it comes to teas, and I like to test out lots of different teas, so this lets me be able to do that without buying the entire box. Take care, guys. Be safe. Drink your tea. Bye-bye from Marla.